Assalamualaikum and good morning. So today we continue chapter 3, Visualizing Data. Okay, so we go to 3.3, Stem and Leaf Plot. So what is stem and leaf plot? Okay, so stem and leaf plot showing data in graphic form. Okay, so here we have two parts. Okay, the first one is stem, the second one is leaf. Okay, stem is a leading digit while leaf is a trailing digit. Okay, for example, if your number is 40, so this is leading, this is stem, so trailing digit, this is leaf. Okay, so the stem must be arranged in order. Okay, so look at stem here. So you must arrange in order 0, 1, 2, 3 until 5. But the leaf, okay, it's okay if you not arrange in order. You just put the number. Okay, and you must have the key indicator here to define the stem and leaf value. For example, okay, so 3 stem, 1 leaf. This one means that 3.1. So if we read this data, the first one is actually 0.2. Okay, same to the rest. So here we have 1.3, 1.1. So 2.0, 2.3, 2.5. So that is the importance of the key. So if we don't have the key, we didn't know, okay, there is a decimal places between the stem and leaf here. Okay, so this is the mixture or back-to-back, okay, stem and leaf plot. So what is a mixture model or back-to-back stem and leaf? Okay, so back-to-back stem and leaf is we have only one stem but two leaves. Okay, so the first one, second one. Okay, so two leaves, so we share the same stem here. Okay, when you look at this stem, okay, why we have 2, 5 here, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because sometimes because of we have a lot of data, okay, the data is too big, then we want to distribute the data so that we can see the distribution. Okay, that's why we divide it into two groups for each same number of stem. Okay, but we can also put it as a single number. For example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is stem and then this is leaf. So this one, okay, we just put 9. Okay, for this one, we put 0, 2, 3, 8, 9. Okay, everything that belongs to the stem equal to 5. Okay, so same here. Okay, we must have the key indicator here. Okay, so how to read this data? So this data means that we don't have a decimal places. Okay, so it's equal to, for example, this one. How to read this data? It is 50, 52, 53, 58, 59, and so on. Okay, we look at example 3.7 here. Okay, so construct a stem and leaf plot. Okay, and give a comment on the distribution. So means that we need to know what is the type of that distribution of the number of motorcycle theft in class. Okay, so as we know that for stem and leaf, the stem should be in order. Okay, so we look at the smallest number here in data. So what is the smallest number for the data is 10. This is the smallest, right? So which one is the highest? So the highest one is a 52. Okay, so our stem, so this is leaf. So stem, the smallest one is 10. So it starts with 1 until 5. Okay, and then we put the leaf. So 10, 1, 0. So this is 10. Another one 11. So space, we put 1 here. Space 2, space 3, and so on. So this is the solution for the stem and leaf plot. So don't forget to put a key indicator. Okay, or this one you can put as 1, 0 means 10. Okay, so also can write like this. Okay, then we look at example 3.8, mixture, stem and leaf plot. So mixture means that we have two data set. First data set and this one is second data set. So construct a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So means that we have only one stem, okay, but two leaf, right and left. Okay, so then give a comment on the distribution. Okay, so before and after the change. Okay, the first one is a before change. The second data set is a after change. Okay, so I give you the solution here. Okay, look at the solution here. Okay, so stem. Okay, so why we start with 2? Because the minimum data set, okay, is a 21. Okay, 21. The minimum data set, okay, is 21. Okay, so that's why we put the smallest number in stem is 2. And then we followed by 3, 4, 5 until the highest one, which is 60 here. Okay, and then, okay, we fill in the leaf for before and after. Okay, so don't forget to put key indicator here. Okay, so based on the stem and leaf plot here, so we need to identify what type of the distribution. Okay, so how to look at the shape of the distribution? So I give you one example here. So look at here. For example, okay, so we have this data class. So I give you one example. Okay, so based on this data, the smallest value is a 10 and the highest value is a 45. So we have stem here and leaf. So because of the smallest is 10, so we start with 1 and then followed by 2, 3 until 4. Okay, then we put the leaf here. So 10 is 1, 0, 1, 1, 11, 12, 13, 15. And then go to 2, number 2. So 20, 21, 23. And then 32, 31, 45. So this is our stem and leaf plot. So key indicator. So 1, 0 means 10. Okay, so how to look at the shape of distribution? So you rotate this one. Okay, so your stem here. So this is your leaf. So how to rotate? So start with 1, right? 2, 3 until 4. Your stem 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you put 1, 2, 3, 4. And then put 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay? 0, 1, 3, 2, 1 and 5. Okay, then you can see here the type of the distribution. So if you see, this one is a reverse G type. Okay. So here we have exercise 3.1. So I want you to do number 1 and number 2. So later we will discuss in our online class. Okay. So that's all for today. So see you in next part, chapter 3. So thank you.